YouTube is a popular online video sharing platform that was created by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim. The development of YouTube began in early 2005, and the website was officially launched to the public on February 14, 2005. The idea for YouTube originated from the founders' difficulty in sharing videos from a dinner party that took place in San Francisco. They realized that there was no efficient way to upload, share, and view videos online. This led them to develop a platform that would make it easy for users to upload and share videos with others. The first video ever uploaded to YouTube was titled "Me at the Zoo" and was posted by Jawed Karim on April 23, 2005. This simple 18-second video featured Karim at the San Diego Zoo and served as a demonstration of the platform's capabilities. In November 2005, YouTube received its first significant investment of $3.5 million from venture capital firm Sequoia Capital. This investment allowed YouTube to expand its operations and improve its infrastructure to handle the growing user base and video uploads. YouTube's popularity grew rapidly, and by July 2006, the platform was serving over 100 million video views per day. Recognizing the potential of YouTube, Google acquired the company for $1.65 billion in stock in November 2006. The acquisition provided YouTube with the resources and infrastructure of Google, enabling it to scale and reach a wider audience. Under Google's ownership, YouTube continued to innovate and introduce new features. In 2007, YouTube launched its partner program, which allowed content creators to monetize their videos through advertising. This program was instrumental in attracting talented creators and fostering the growth of a vibrant YouTube community. Over the years, YouTube has expanded its services beyond individual user-generated content. It introduced official channels for media organizations, celebrities, and brands, enabling them to share their content directly with the platform's audience. In recent years, YouTube has faced challenges related to copyright infringement, moderation of content, and the spread of misinformation. The platform has implemented various policies and tools to address these issues, including content ID systems and community guidelines. Today, YouTube is one of the largest and most influential social media platforms in the world. It has millions of active users and hosts a vast range of content, including music videos, tutorials, blogs, documentaries, and more. It continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of its users while providing a platform for content creators to share their creativity with a global audience.